Pope celebrated the Mass for the 22 Catholic martyrs at Namugongo Catholic Martyrs Shin. Pope thanked the martyrs for resisting the Kabakamunga and refusing to do what the Church opposes. At that time, there was already serious discussions on homosexuality in Uganda. He kissed the kids, condoled with Winnie Nansuba, who was born HIV positive and being an orphan at the age of 7. And he also sympathized with a young man who was abducted by the Lord Resistance Armor rebels.
Thank you for watching Lango News Channel. Please subscribe for more updates.